Hello, my name is Christian Kabambi Mugongole. Now I am presenting you the virtualization, its component, and the benefit of using the virtual machine in business. Let's first understand virtualization. Virtualization is a technology that creates virtual versions of computer, server, or network components from a single physical machine. It allows multiple operating systems to run simultaneously and independently on the same hardware, thereby optimizing resource usage. One might ask, why create virtual machines when it is often preferable to have a physical computer? In reality, a physical computer is indispensable, but virtualization addresses specific needs that hardware alone cannot cover efficiently. There are some major reasons, like cost optimization. Instead of purchasing multiple computers or servers, several systems can run on a single physical machine. Another reason is environment isolation. Each virtual machine is independent. If one VM crashes or is infected, the others continue to function normally. Another reason is flexibility and scalability. VMs can be created, deleted, or modified quickly according to needs without investing in new physical hardware. Another reason is testing and training. Students, developers, and administrators can experiment safely since a virtual machine can be reset or deleted easily. Another reason is backup and disaster recovery. A virtual, a virtual machine can be copied, moved, or restored within minutes, which is much faster than recovering a physical computer. The foundation of virtualization is the hypervisor. Hypervisor is a software that creates and manages virtual machine on a computer or server, acting as a resource manager. It sits between the physical hardware and the virtual machine, efficiently distributing CPU, memory, and storage. There are two types of hypervisor, type 1 and the type 2. The type 1, called bare metal, is installed directly on the physical machine like an operating system, but its role is to manage virtual machine rather than serve the user directly. The Type 2 hypervisor is installed on top of an existing operating system such Windows or Linux and functions like an application. The essential components of a virtual machine are virtual memory, virtual processor, virtual storage, and a virtual network card. These elements replicate the component of a physical computer in software form, managed by the hypervisor. In a professional context, virtualization has become an indispensable solution. It optimizes resources, reduces cost, and enhances system flexibility. Its advantages include server consolidation. Instead of buying multiple physical servers to host different applications, a company can consolidate workloads on a single powerful server using the virtual machine, significantly reducing hardware and energy costs. Another advantages is include isolated test environment. Virtual machine allow the creation of staging environments that faithfully reproduce production system, enabling safe testing of new software or configurations. Another advantages include disaster recovery. With snapshot and rapid migration, a virtual machine can be backed up, restored, or moved within minutes, ensuring business continuity even in case of major failures. Practical examples of virtualization in enterprises. Bank and insurance companies, they use virtual machine to host customer database and management application while isolating sensitive environment for greater security. Virtualization in small and medium-sized businesses. A company can host its website, internal email system, and CRM on a single physical server with three separate VMs. Virtualization in school and university. IT labs create VMs so students can practice on different operating systems without needing multiple physical computers. Virtualization in software development teams. IT department deploy test environments in virtual machine to experiment with new application without disrupting production. Data centers. They use virtualization to host hundreds of virtual machines offering cloud services to client companies. In summary, virtualization relies on key components such as the hypervisor, virtual CPU, memory, storage, and virtual network. It enables company to reduce costs, improve stability, and strengthen system security. Virtualization is an essential technology for modern system administration, and I am convinced it will continue to transform the way organization manage their infrastructure.